Hi guys, so I hope you all are doing well. So we have to solve precisely tan theta plus cot theta, which is equal to 2, okay? And then try and find out the value of this theta sticking to tan or cot, okay? And there is a condition over here that this theta must be lesser than 90 degrees but more than 0 degrees. So this option does not come, okay, as correct, okay. Then from the other three we have to find out precisely what is the correct option, okay. So let's get down to working. So we have tan theta plus cot theta equals to 2. So in order to solve this, I think we have to use certain identities, which is as follows. Cot we know it's 1 by tan, okay. So far so good, okay. What next? Next is when we simplify this tan theta, we get tan square theta plus 1. All right. Next, we have this equals to 2 tan theta. All right. I simply crisscrossed. I took this to the other side. Okay. As you do in a normal equation sum. Correct. Now, in this case, okay, we find that this is equal to this, which is what? Okay, tan square theta plus 1. If we try and bring this inside, the scenario should change. All right. So what does this remind us of? Of course, this reminds us of a very, okay, simple identity that we know it's a square plus b square minus 2ab. All right. This is our a, okay, and with a square it's a square. 1 square is simply 1, which is b square, and minus 2 and tan theta dot 1. 1 we need not have to write, okay. So as a result, this stands true for this identity. So can we not write as tan, okay, minus 1 whole square equals to 0? We can, isn't it? Now when a square goes to the other side to square root, we know that it's tan theta minus 1 again equals to 0. Correct, guys? So I hope there is no issue so far, okay. I can just show you if you just square root over here, okay. So we get a square root of 0, always 0. All right. So I think I should show it, and which is equal to 0. Now, if we go ahead, we see that tan theta, okay, when 1 goes to the other side, it becomes equals to 1, okay, a positive 1, guys. So we know that, okay, tan 45 degrees is equal to 1, okay, which means what? That if we try to compare this equation with this, we find that therefore our theta should be equal to 45 degrees, which means option 3 is the correct answer. So the correct option is 1, 2, 3, that is third option. All right, guys. So as simple as that. So I hope you people have understood. So this one, and then we try to get the reciprocal of cot, which is 1 by tan theta. After which we get down to simplification by taking the LCM of these two, 1 and tan theta. We get tan theta and then we get a tan square theta, okay, plus 1, and then we try and transpose tan theta to the other side in the next level. Alright, then deliberately we pull this inside and this becomes a replica of one kind of an identity which we are very much familiar with. So we settle with this, that tan theta minus 1 whole square, okay, is equal to this entire thing. When we simplify, we take this to the other side as square root, okay, we get a 0, which means tan theta minus 1 equals to 0. In other words, when 1 is pulled that side to the right hand side, we get the value of tan theta equals to 1. So tan 45 is also equals to 1, which means we try and equate the theta with 45 degrees, and this stands true with this also, because 45 degrees is lesser than 90 degrees and it's also more than 0 degrees, guys. So as simple as that. Thank you so much for watching. If there is any query, do write to me in the comment section. Okay guys, bye bye, have a great day, enjoy yourself.